Good afternoon, ladies.
Good afternoon, sir.
I just want to ask you all a quick question. How do you feel about the dentists and doctors coming here to see you today?
Very good, sir.
Very good.
Overwhelmed.
Right?
Overwhelmed, yes.
Okay.
It's a very good thing.
Do you think the JAHJAH Foundation is doing a good
Doing
job?
a good job. Very good
Very
job.
good job.
Although he's doing a good job, up till now, my opinion is, as soon as possible, we want them to take over here.
The hospital, yeah. Open it, yes.
That
Open
we
it.
can have it fully.
Right.
Because when we have to leave so far to go to another hospital, they handle us as if we are nothing.
Right.
They said we in Ulster Spring are the best hospital, so why come into them, especially in Spalding?
Right. So Spalding, you don't always.
We
No,
go
we don't
Spalding,
get good
but
treatment up there.
No?
And most times our sick, when they go there, they end up dying.
And
I
the
lost a
thing
lot of
about
family
it.
members up there.
Oh,
and the
sorry to
thing
hear that.
about it, that when anything to be done to the
This youngest
patient,
here died in Spalding Hospital.
Who?
This year here. She died in Spalding
Are you wearing
Hospital.
it?
Yeah.
When did she pass?
Last week?
Last week?
No, man.
Week before last.
Week before last.
Oh yeah, what was the problem? Went through an accident or something?
no, she's a sickler.
She's a sick. She's a 29-year-old.
She's a sickler. Sickler.
Like a sickle cell?
Yes, she's a sickler.
And she went there and she didn't get care in time?
No, we can't say
We can't
that.
say.
We don't know of
She
that.
died in here.
But what I am saying, when you go there, if the patients need any good attention, they have to leave from there to Mandeville or back to Ulster or
Most
back
of the time.
to Falmouth.
What is it
This
like at
time.
Mandeville?
Good. Exceptional.
Mandeville is better?
Yes.
So maybe what the problem is that we just need to fix Falmouth.
Yes. Fix here. It would be better.
Not
Fix
Farmer,
here.
fix here.
Not
here.
Falmouth.
Not
You see,
Falmouth,
the time
fix
me,
here.
my husband just passed a month ago. Listen, you see the time me in leave me pregnant here now.
Right.
You see the time if we reach down at Falmouth.
You're pregnant?
All
No,
my-
no, so yeah, sir. She's just
But did her husband really pass?
yes, he passed through. By the time
Hold on, so your husband really passed?
Yes, honestly.
Okay, so what was the issue with your husband?
He was hypertension.
Okay.
He got a stroke over the 5 years now, but that's not really what he has been to his clinic every 3 months here.
Right.
And he came here the Wednesday, got his treatment and everything. And by Thursday, he passed off.
Wow. Maybe it was just this time?
Could have been.
Right.
If it wasn't, God wouldn't allow it.
Right.
So his time was expired. And so the Lord did it. And I'm
Lord, take
grateful.
it. But what you want to see is this place reopen and be a proper functioning hospital.
Mighty.
because maybe
I need
Is
it.
there somebody sitting here?
No,
Just
miss.
move up from it, please.
because maybe the time that it took to reach Falmouth, then
Right.
if this hospital was functioning, then he could have gotten some treatment, so his life would would have been spared.
Right.
So all we need is
For
this.
Ulster Spring Hospital.
We need our hospital.
All right, well, unfortunately, the JAHJAH Foundation
It's strong.
is not able to help with that. That's more like a government policy issue. Government has to deal with that. That's a big issue, you know?
Yes, but
But in the meantime, we're trying to do what we can to help. But
okay, so
we
all,
can talk with Mr. Moore and see if he could ask the right
all
people.
what we must do then stop vote for the government them.
Don't
then.
wanna- Unfortunately, I can't get into those things on this camera here.
I know.
We don't get into politics and
I
the JAHJAH
know.
Foundation.
But I
It's
think what
government
you
thing.
people are doing,
Right.
it's welcoming.
Right.
Yeah, we welcome it. We
And the
welcome
treatment
it.
that the doctors are giving you here?
Yes, it's good and.
When we started, we didn't bring the medication.
Right, because most of the medication are not at the
We don't
pharmacy.
get it at the pharmacy, and some of us don't have the money to buy the medication.
So you want us to bring more
Yeah,
medication?
we just need
We
to
don't
bring
know if you bring medication.
No. When we come in, you want us to bring medication?
Yes,
Yes.
we wanted to
Yes.
bring medication.
Of all
Because
description.
I know for a fact that the medication from overseas is
Is very
better
Right.
than what they have here.
You know that for a fact?
Yes, I do.
Okay, I don't know. I can't comment on that because I don't know anything about
Yes,
that.
I do. I know.
And what other things you want the JAHJAH Foundation to do when they come here? Is there anything else you want the JAHJAH Foundation to do?
What they have done is, you know, they are nice, they are polite, they are helpful.
They are truly,
Yeah, they are jovial, and they make sure that you are taken care of.
Well taken
Care of. Yes.
Each one is very
They are
active when
pleasant
they are here.
people. Jamaica is
You
very
people can come
expensive.
2 times for the air.
It's hard because people, they're volunteers and they take
have
time
to
from
go
their
other
jobs.
places.
Okay.
And we had people who are diabetic.
Right?
And if you people could get some free
Insulin.
instant that can stick the finger.
I would need a knee band because my knees giving me a lot of problem, and I would mind if you guys did have a knee band can give it to me. I have a lot
knee
of
band?
problem. Yeah.
Oh,
I
okay.
have a lot of problem with my knee.
Alright, so look, we're trying our best here, right?
Yes, you're doing a very good job.
Very,
And we
very
do appreciate it.
And you love it
To do
here.
a pap smear,
You love it here.
yeah.
Yeah, we like coming here because we like the people here. The hospitality is nice, the people is nice. Place is cool and nice.
Yeah, to do a pap smear
Right.
is $6,000 privately.
Right.
And we are getting it free today, so we do appreciate it.
And eye specialist is expensive.
Expensive.
Yes, we appreciate
Because when I
it a lot.
go to do my eyes, they charge me 4,000 and plus the medication. I had to.
And the glasses is expensive.
Don't speak about the glasses, that's worse. See?
Alright, ladies, well, thanks for speaking with me, huh?
You're welcome, you're so
Alright, I
welcome.
appreciate it.
And
It's good to get the feedback from the people.
Mr. Simmet out there,
I don't know who Mrs. Smith
he
is.
came on the team. He's living in America.
Right.
That's my granddaughter's uncle.
Okay.
He's on the team. It's Byron Simmet.
Oh, yeah, I know Barry.
Yes, it's my granddaughter's nephew.
Right.
My granddaughter's is his niece.
Right.
Yeah. And when my husband came last year and he had a talk with Mr. Dixon, he said, look boy, all Dixons are one family, so we are one.
Let me ask you a question. Do you guys have other health fairs in here, like other people come from overseas or anywhere to come and
Yeah,
Yes.
churches.
Some churches?
Some churches do it
Right.
sometimes,
And
yeah.
sometimes I have some doctors
Yeah.
come by here.
Okay.
Sometimes.
Once a year, I think it's in October, November. That's
Right.
right, yes. Dentists and doctors and...
Well, good. You guys have a lot of people coming here, man.
I think
Yes, we
you are the
deserve
best
it.
one. You are the best.
All right. Well, thanks for speaking to me, all right?
Thank you.
See you guys
Have a
later.
blessed day.
All right.